Good morning. It's not morning. It's 1:22. I'm trying new thing with my hair because I don't style it. So I slept with these rollers in. Took some cute photos. Well, those are probably on my Instagram by now. This is probably coming out either the same day because I'm so excited to edit, or months after. I don't know. Look, it's like it's giving something, because I really hate having just like flat hair. I was thinking today I would go take a little walk and sit on a bench and cry, because I've always, for some reason, wanted to cry in public. I just feel like I've cried on a bus before, at a bus stop, at school, in a washroom, restaurant, in a washroom, at a dinner table, many a dinner table. But I never just cried like in a park, right? Like, I feel like that would be a different experience, a main character moment, maybe, I don't know. And I'm thinking, if I'm not gonna cry, though I could, but if anxiety, performance anxiety says don't cry, it's a little uncomfortable, I'm gonna bring something to eat so I can just sit on the bench and eat and listen to music and hope I don't die. I have issues going out alone. I never feel safe. I never feel safe with myself. I never have trust in myself that if anything were to happen, I would make it out. So I try to avoid being alone because I don't trust the people around me to, one, not hurt me, or trust myself to be able to do anything about it if it does happen anyways. I just don't. I don't want to, I don't want to find out if I'm right or wrong. I can't really live like that though, because I'm 20, no, I'm not 20, I'm 19, and I look terrible. Wow. I'm probably gonna do my real makeup. I don't know why I'm doing all this, but I just feel like I look bad in the thing. I'm 19 and I can't be alone. I can't get a job because I'm scared. And then I can't like be begging people like, oh, I really want these shoes. Like, I'm really living off essentials right now. And like, good for me, I'm living, but a human has wants other than needs that are not justifiable to use other people's money for. Like, I'm not gonna beg my parents to buy me $300 Doc Martens when I can fully, like, nothing's stopping me from getting a job. It's just me, my brain, I guess. Yeah, maybe this will be like topic of cry. I don't know. So I was really craving pasta last night, so I might go make a little pot of pasta. It is lunchtime-ish, so that would be like, okay. I don't look too bad anymore. Lipstick and blush is what does it for me. Like, it just makes me look not crusty, right? Oh, I don't know. Was I lying? I really hope nobody's occupying the bench. There's this bench made of a giant log. Okay. I feel like it needs more volume on the top. And I like to sit there, but I hope nobody's there, because then all my plans. I'm not just gonna walk around. That gives more like ginger in my brain. Like, I don't know. I'm so spooked. I went in there before. I really just can't be alone with myself. I'm uncomfortable by myself. I don't trust myself. I do so many things that bite me in my own ass. I forgot what I was gonna say. I don't know. I just don't trust myself to do. I'm uncomfortable with myself. Like every time I've gone, okay, I found it. Anytime I've gone to the bench, or the park, or the trails, or the pond, you know, I've sat there, and I'd sit there for maybe 30 minutes. Just like, there's somebody here. People can see me. Oh, there's people walking. Oh my god, dog walkers. Oh my god, are they looking at me? Are they making fun of me that I'm like a literal loser sitting on a bench alone? And then I'll be like, okay, I've been here for like 3 hours. I check. It's only been 30 minutes, girl. What are we doing? You didn't even do anything. You just came here and started worrying. I realized I've never been alone. When I go to sleep, I'm always listening to something because I can't be alone with my thoughts. Because anytime it's happened, I cry. So maybe I won't cry on a bench if I'm not worrying about being murdered or being made fun of. I'm very fun. How am I gonna film without like freaking out? People are making fun of me. I'm living my life. I'm doing what I like. I'm enjoying my time. I look very bad. This eye is so small. I don't know how. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but in my mind I can see pasta being made and it looks good. So let's hope I have photographic psychic abilities and I'm seeing the future. Sorry. Yeah, okay. I am prepared, so I already planned my outfit yesterday. Let's put it on. This dress is too big, so I'm gonna wear it layered. I'm gonna do some light makeup and then we can go. There's a mirror up there, but I found a new way to do my eyebrows is just like push them up, but I look stupid with all of them brushed up, so I just kind of set them straight down upwards, especially in the front, like that. And then I don't want to look like a electrocuted bird, so I'm gonna brush them into shape. There. Here's that. Okay. Ooh. I found that I care a lot more about my eyebrows now that everything is above the mask. Like, now my eyebrows are like one of the only things you'll be able to see. Now people notice them more. They look terrible. They look really skinny. I'm just gonna try and thicken this up, disperse them so it looks a bit thicker. I also might do an eyelid trick to like make this one even with this side. This one you can see has a fold, and this one is like completely hidden. I might do something to fix that. Oh shit. It's fine. We're fine, I think. This eyebrow is like higher than this one, so I usually brush all the hairs more down and straight, and this one's like straightened up. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Blush. I'm gonna do a little bit of this. I'll do blush first. Go up here, nose, and I put some here and under, kind of like when I have color around. I'm gonna take cloud paint. One of the things I hate about my skin, I don't naturally flush and I don't have color. My mom has rosacea. She naturally has color and she hates it, and I've always been like, I'm jealous of people who have rosacea because they just look, I don't even care if it's like really bright pink. A lot of people cover up their redness and they hate it, but I love it. I love people who have, you know, different tones and stuff, depth, because when I have nothing on my face, I look kind of like peanut butter baby. There's nothing there. Very jealous. I'm gonna take this lipstick. I just have like many different lipstick colors. This one's kind of more dark and kind of, I use this as like a contour lipstick. Blush. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. I have a little pimple here that's like catching all the stuff on it because it's kind of dry. Okay, this is what I'm looking like. I'm gonna do some eyelash curling. Got my skin. Jeez. Okay. I don't know if I want to put mascara on. I might just not do that. My stomach's growling. Okay. Brown eyeliner. Just gonna add a little bit. Softly extend the lash line a little bit. Okay. I might do an eyelid thing. What I do is I put lash glue here, push it in, and so it like sticks, and over time it just kind of holds. I might do that. Weird. I wanted to go earlier at like 1 or 2. I mean, it's like 2 now, but I still have to make food. Maybe I won't, I don't know. But I wanted to avoid the children who will maybe be walking home in the trail, because I don't feel comfortable recording stuff with people around. And if there's children coming home from school, like, they will know. They will know. That makes me uncomfortable. Oh. Boink, 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 boink. Just gonna... Oh. Okay, that was a lot. I don't know what I'm doing. Pretty. Okay, like white, the dry patches on my face. Okay, maybe I'll do a little bit. Okay. Just... This is what I look like. Comb through. Got my face back. I'm gonna do a little. Okay, I'm gonna go make pasta. Maybe. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know how to make pasta, but I have cheese and stuff, and butter, and spices. Buttered noodles. My sister's playing games really loud. It's kind of annoying. Milk and butter? I don't know what I'm doing. What if I make a roux? What if I put flour in this? I think that's what I can do. I don't know if this is bad, but my sister does it sometimes. I'm trying to fight with time also. So this might end badly. Okay, now there's a bunch of flour on my spatula. There's flour everywhere. Maybe that was too much. This smells so bad. Not like it was bad, but it just does not smell good. Okay, well. Also lactose intolerant, so I don't know if eating a cheesy pasta in nature is gonna be a good idea for today. I think I'm making something. Like it looks like worms. Which is fitting for where I'm planning to eat this. Okay, now it's off the heat. I'm gonna add some spices. Garlic powder? I just feel like that. It smells good and it might make this tastier. I don't know. Ew, why is it all like clumpy? Okay. Should I add paprika? Is that a thing? I don't know. Ooh, okay, maybe. I hope I can eat this. We have some dried cilantro. Dude, honestly, that doesn't look that bad. Should I mix it? It's gonna get eaten anyways. What if this just tastes like flour? I should try some. Oh, it tastes good. Wow. Okay. I'm so, wow. That was so lucky. I made a pasta from my brain. And it looks okay. You can do anything. Anyone can cook. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to go eat pasta in nature. This is spooky. I'm a little nervous. But the children are coming home from school, so I should be a little bit safer. Maybe it's a good thing. I've made it.
Past the fourth turn by the barn where Mrs. Foreman lived till she passed on. There is a cottage by the lakeside where fairies come out at night. There's a music box in the bedroom. It's playing songs from 1922, and if you listen for long enough, is laden by a marching band, reaching for a peach from a shiny purple tree.
Like, I kind of snapped. I should have put like chicken or something, mushroom. This shit is so good. That duck just waddled up. Nature. Fungus. Ooh, fungus. I think I should have brought like a drawing book or something. Because I'm kind of bored. I'm not feeling anxious anymore. So, that's really good. I hear children and a family. Okay, let's go. Go this way. I'm tired. Back again. That was really nice. That was relaxing. I was at peace. A little bit nervous, but actually not that much. That's really good. And it was really pretty. It was really peaceful. The pasta was good. I ate. Because I was feeling a little bit nervous, I kind of just kept eating. So that's good. It made me eat. Usually I don't finish my food. That's a plus. Whew. I cooked for myself. I got up, got ready. I was really not feeling it. Like, I really did not feel like going today, but last night I was like, I should take a walk tomorrow. And then I woke up and obviously I was like, and also this was a good way to make me actually like go through with my plans. Yeah, I got my period last night. So it was nice to just be one with nature. I mean, Mother Nature is doing her thing. So it was nice. I did have to poo. Hi. I did have to poo right before I left, but I didn't. So I didn't poop myself either, so that's also good. And now I'm back home with my baby. Yeah, good day. That was a good day. Today is a good day. It's Thursday, which means I get another episode of UK Drag Race Season 3. I hope Victoria Scone is still okay. Like, I hope her knee somehow just healed and she's still in. Please, please. Dude. Oh, should I let him in too? Now, you're not much of a hugger, but I want to show you off. This is Miso. He's a cutie. I wish he enjoyed hugs, but he doesn't. Gets a little squirmy. Okay. You don't mind. You love hugs. You're a huggy baby. You're grippy, though. You hear him purring? You can see all my sweat. Ew. You're such a baby. Even though it was small, I do feel proud that I carried through, even though I was really nervous, not feeling it. And it ended up being okay and good. I ate food I cooked for myself. And I didn't see many children. It's great. Okay. I hope you also had a great day today. And if you didn't, you can watch this and pretend my good day was your good day and we can have a good day together. How about that? One bad day doesn't mean bad forever. Okay, you're gonna have a good day very soon, I promise. If you're not having one today, there's always tomorrow. Okay. Be safe. Take care. Okay? I'll see you when I see you. And happy birthday, because it's somebody's birthday up there. Goodbye.